Now let's move on into innovation in printers, and let's meet up with somebody from HP that's been able to come out with a product that really stretches your imagination. This then is an A3 size non-moving part print head, right? 44,000 nozzles, and this is what makes the magic happen at almost 60 pages per minute, right, is what you can spit out of this. But let's understand the market a little bit more. So this is a market that HP wasn't in, is a huge multi-billion-dollar market, which is the A3 market, right? Can you start by telling me why you weren't in it, and now that you're getting into it very aggressively by bringing innovation in?
What we are doing now is that all the technology we own in the A4 space, we actually bring it into the A3 space.
Okay.
A3 is a huge market. It's like, globally it's around 50-50 between A4 and A3.
Oh.
And A3 is as big as...
So you're saying HP, the biggest name in printing business, was ignoring half the market? Is that how one can put it? Was there a reason? Did you not think it's exciting enough? Did you think it's a very generic commodity-sized market? Why didn't HP go into that?
No, basically the thing is that A3 hasn't seen any innovation, for a long time. Okay. And what we were kind of, obviously when HP gets into a business, we need to make sure that you take that category to the next level. So in a way, you can say that, we were now ready to do that. Okay. And, bring all the innovation into A3. And, that's what we have done now. And for example, the
non-moving print head,
the non-moving print head you got in your hand. This is, a subset of our A3 lineup now. What we call is a page wide. We are actually leveraging our ink technology and bringing into the A3 space. We already have a A4 device based on this technology, and this brings down the energy cost big time, brings down the cost per page significantly, especially in color.
Tell me a little bit more about the security. That's become a big angle now, especially since what we've seen in the last few days. And it's true, when you and me were talking off camera right now, and you said, a printer is a very soft target. Nobody thinks of it, but it's the easiest way to hack into your entire network. So you're maybe the only company that's actually thinking that out and taking it forward. Tell me a little bit more about that.
Look, as far as security is concerned, we've done various surveys and we got these independent surveys available. Even today, close to 80% enterprises don't have a foolproof security setup as far as their IT systems are concerned. Okay. Printers obviously are the most ignored. Now, printer is as good as a computing device as any other device. It's got hard disk, got processing unit, got so many ports, and
and it's very vulnerable because nobody's really thinking about this.
Anybody who wants to get into the network, printer becomes a soft target. So that's the point. Nobody obviously is interested in hacking the printer per se. Yeah. They're interested in kind of getting to the network.
It's the easy highway in.
Absolutely. And if you, drive in, okay. Absolutely. And if you look at physically, Rajiv, if somebody walks into an office, okay, you can't go and start working on a laptop there, right? But you can easily walk into a printer room and start working. Printers, for example, can send emails, can receive emails now. You can,
you can read. I mean, if it's not good enough security, you can actually read what people have actually sent to the printer.
Absolutely.
Which could be some of the most classified documents at the end of the day, right?
Absolutely. So that's why, security is so important. Now, good thing about HP is since we come from PC and print business, we got a huge amount of IP in security. And we are kind of bringing that entire IP into printers first, and then into the A3 printers. And our, we got a, the three-pronged strategy, we call it. We secure the device, we secure the data, and we secure the document. What you just touched upon is, let's say I have printed my salary slip, and by the time I walk to the printer, somebody would have probably taken the sheet away. Now that's not possible. There's a pull feature available. Only when I go there and put my pin, then only the printer will happen.
The printer comes for you. Yeah, a way to make sure that proximity is a very important thing. Great that we are seeing a different HP. Great that we are seeing an HP that is actually foraying into markets it wasn't before, with innovation as what you're leading with. And we see an interesting future. We'll keep tracking your story. Thank you so much for talking.
Thanks so much, Rajiv. Thanks for your time.